What's the meaning of antiretroviral? Antiretroviral. 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 Antiretroviral.
The term antiretroviral refers to a class of drugs used to treat retroviruses, a type of virus that replicates by inserting its genetic material into the DNA of the host cell. Antiretroviral drugs work by inhibiting the replication of retroviruses, including HIV, which is responsible for causing AIDS. These drugs are effective in reducing the amount of virus in a patient's blood and improving their immune system function. By slowing down the progression of the disease, patients can lead longer, healthier lives and reduce the risk of transmitting the virus to others.